Here, have a Samsung washing machine. Here's your model number. And my wife was mentioning how it's starting to smell. And I was sitting with a buddy of mine not too long ago and had a conversation about how his was doing the same. Give you a quick video on how to get rid of that smell. First thing you have to make sure you're using is the HE detergent, high efficiency detergent. Make sure you're using that. If you're not, there's the logo right here. That could be an issue too. First of all, you want to pull out this gasket. Make sure there's no schmutz in there. Clean it all out. We just recently did this. You'll see these holes. Make sure they're all cleaned out. Make sure you clean all along this gasket. Okay? And then the second part, right down here, will be a hose. Right here. Pull this little cap off. Pull the hose out, and this right here, now be careful, this will leak when you turn this. You'll turn this, pull it out. I just did it. Should have did it prior. I should have waited, but pull this out, and this is like your catch can. Anything that goes into the basin, change, debris, what have you, will end up in here. Pull it out, clean it. But here's where the majority of your stink's going to come from, this hose right here. So let me adjust this for us. Get a little catch pan. And you're going to want to get rid of all of this nasty water. Now I did some of this earlier, but you can see you have to keep this hose obviously down below the base here, but you're going to have to empty out as much of this nasty water as you possibly can. And then what I like to do is run the washer again and then drain it one more time from this hose. And you'll be surprised, that smell will definitely go away. But if you have any questions, give me leave some comments. And there's the model number one more time. And hopefully this helps.